today we are shooting lots of fun, delicious new recipes for the Bikini series and nutrition plan. So we're excited to release them then.
So you'll see how all the magic happens and all the creation of the recipes and the inspiration. And we love you so much. We can't wait for you to do this program with us.
And try these recipes.
I know, we have to take pictures first. So we're like...
What is it?
National Margarita Day, which means we must start drinking tequila now. And it's 10.
So this smoothie is chia seeds, blueberry, cauliflower, peanut butter, and then sprinkled with some coconut and cheese on top. I love it. Number one, cray bake. Number two, garlic. And this is the new lemon garlic shrimp recipe for the plan. I love it. Hello!
Hi!
We are in the kitchen today making a superfood bowl.
All right, so our base, we just blended up frozen banana, frozen cauliflower, and toned up protein, almond milk, and the beautiful color that you see here is spirulina. So it's like a mermaid blue. And our favorite part about summer are all the beautiful colors, so we're gonna decorate our bowls.
All right, ready? This is like an art project.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So good.
Tough day still?
This is one of my favorite new recipes on the plan because I love burgers. Burgers. All right, this is one of my favorite new recipes on the plan because I love burgers. And we have it on mushrooms, some sprouts, avocado. You can use turkey, tofu, veggie burgers, beef, whatever you want. And it's delicious. Bon appetit.
Hi girls, we're out here decorating smoothie bowls on my balcony. It's gonna be really fun and Karina's excited.
I'm very excited. Another art project.
Yes. All right, so the base is dragon fruit, frozen cauliflower, toned up protein, and coconut milk. And then you can also do frozen banana if you want. All right, now it's the fun part.
I'm gonna add some coconut here.
Chia seeds.
Right down the middle. Look how pretty.
Coconut is so good for your metabolism.
All right, we got some cheese.
And lastly, a picture for Instagram.
Insta-worthy. And then the best part, besides decorating, eating. Oh, cheers.
Salud! Bless you!
Hi girls, who's hungry?
Join us for dinner right now on toneidup.com because we have the most amazing Moroccan bowls for you. I love spice. It's good.
All right, so edible.
Ashley
Trying to get up on the couch.
Oh, skunk.
You can't jump that high.
Frank, you need some help? For me to come in and say, right here. The glam girl. No glam.
A little tahini drizzling over the Buddha bowl. So good.
So good.
My dream lunch. We can't talk right now. We're having the best dinner ever. You don't want to miss it. I want to drizzle some more tahini. Drizzle my nizzle. What does that mean?
I love food. Food loves me. We are happy family. Wow.
Look at that quinoa. Did you try the seasoning on this?
Yeah.
It's so good.
So good. This makes me want to do our planning. I can't wait. Can I have some more of that tahini,
I
please?
know. Guys, we're just...
It's just so good. I love our bikini edition. This is the best edition we've ever had.
Who are we?
I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one.
Did you get my resting, non-filming face?
The only one I'm thinking of. Hey,
Wednesday, and tonight we're having kombucha in our wine glasses and
A cilantro, live quinoa bowl. Woo, hitting that kombucha hard. Can't stop eating.
I believe I gotta have you in my life.
All day she's been asking for those burgers.
Are you happy? Burger bites. Little sriracha.
So I do spend some time back with me.
That's a burger dance. It's getting warm over here.
Who is she to me?
Tonight for dinner is one of my favorite dishes from the nutrition plan, the tray bake. And this specifically is the tahini tray bake. So we've already added our veggies, and if you want, you can add a protein, a fish, a chicken. We've got also chickpeas here for the vegan friendly one. And I also brought my spice girl, Katrina.
hey. All right, so first,
Chili powder. So I love the tray bake because it's super fast to make, and Bobby loves me when I make it.
If you make it with garlic, make sure you both have garlic.
That's the key.
Both make out.
Oh, it's done. Waft it.
Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she.
Trying to get the perfect boomerang. Okay, take two.
I still look creepy. Like a little bird going into my drink.
The white wall. Forgot to take one.
Some tequila.
You can sip. I'm just gonna not do what I was doing.
Karina, what is this outfit?
Okay.
Wait, let me just.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah.
I think I want to show too much leg.
Calling BFF to set, please. Can't be eating sushi bowl by myself. Skunk's here. Did you smell salmon? You smelled salmon?
Winston.
That is a wrap for today of the Bikini Series edition of the Tone Up Nutrition Plan. And these babes rocked it! Woo! I can't wait for this plan to come out. You're gonna love it so much. See ya.